Introducing the stunning 2021 Kia Ceed 1.0 GT Line MY20 in blue, a true gem on the road. This hatchback is not only sleek in design, but also packed with top-of-the-line features for ultimate comfort and convenience. From air conditioning to wireless charging, this vehicle has it all. But that's not all. The Kia Ceed prioritizes safety with features like anti-collision system, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags. Plus, it's equipped with a stop and start system for maximum fuel efficiency. Rest assured, this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Ready to elevate your driving experience? Call us today or visit opelnaas.ie for more information on this incredible Kia Ceed. Drive in style, comfort and safety. You deserve it.